safe at home. Today the fourth chapter, Great Men of the Past. Identify the pictures of the great men of the past and write their names. Here they gave some clues. Krishnadevaraya, APJ Abdul Kalam, C.V. Raman, Vikram Sarabhai, Shivaji, Ramanujan, Homi J. Baba, S.N. Bose, Rana Pratap, Ashoka, Lakshmi Bai, Prithviraj Chauhan. Okay, let us move. The first picture, Shivaji, the brave Maratha warrior, Maratha king. Shivaji was one of the bravest rulers of India. He was the founder of Maratha kingdom, Shivaji. The brave Maratha warrior who established Hindu kingdom during the Mughal rule. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Chhatrapati Shivaji. The second one, Ashoka. Ashoka the Great was the third ruler of the Maurya dynasty. Ashoka the Great was the third ruler of the Maurya dynasty and most powerful king. After witnessing the mass death of Kalinga war, he converted into Buddhism. The great emperor who gave up war. Which war? Kalinga war and embraced Buddhism, Ashoka. Rana Pratap. Rana Pratap was the king of Mewar. Mewar, Rajasthan state. Mewar in Rajasthan state. The king of Mewar, Rana Pratap. The Rajaputra king. The Rajput king who protected Mewar from the Mughal onslaughts. Maharana Pratap. Rana Pratap or Maharana Pratap. Jhansi Rani. Rani Lakshmi Bai. She is also known as Jhansi Rani. Rani Lakshmi Bai was a queen of the Maratha state of Jhansi district in UP. Jhansi district in UP. She is known for her fiery act in the first war of Indian freedom. Who is she? Rani Lakshmi Bai. Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya was the third ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. He extended his empire from Vijayanagar in South India to Cuttack in northeast. Krishnadevaraya. Krishnadevaraya was the third ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. Prithviraj Chauhan. Prithviraj Chauhan was the king from the Chauhan dynasty. Prithviraj Chauhan was the king of Chauhan dynasty. He found back the inventions of Muhammad Ghori successfully. Prithviraj Chauhan. C.V. Raman. He was a well-known Indian physicist who won the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. C.V. Raman. Chandrasekhara Venkata Raman. Homi J. Baba. Homi J. Bhabha, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He was an Indian nuclear physicist who is also known as the father of the Indian nuclear program. Father of the Indian nuclear program. Homi Jahangir Bhabha, Homi J. Bhabha. Vikram Sarabhai, Vikram Sarabhai. He is also known as the father of India's space program. Father of India's space program. He won the Shanti Swarup Bharat Nagar medal in 1962. 1962. Vikram Ambalal Sarabhai. Vikram Sarabhai. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Ramanujan was one of India's greatest mathematical genius. He was a mathematical genius, although he never had a formal training. Srinivasa Ramanujan. Srinivasa Ramanujan, a great mathematical genius. APJ Abdul Kalam, our 11th President of India. 11th President of India, APJ Abdul Kalam. He was also a scientist. He was the 11th President of India. He is also called Missile Man of India. Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. Full name Awul Pakir Jainul Abdin Abdul Kalam. APJ Abdul Kalam. Satyendra Nath Bose. S.N. Bose. He was an Indian mathematician and physicist. Satyendra Nath Bose. He is famous for his achievement on quantum mechanics. He was a self-taught scholar and a polymath. Satyendra Nath Bose. S.N. Bose. Okay, children. Hope you understand. See you next class. Thank you.